Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to tune up a Toyota Corolla 2E engine. First, always ensure the engine is cool before starting any work. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety. Then, locate and remove the air filter housing to check the filter's condition. A clean air filter is crucial for optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Next, we'll move on to the ignition system components. Now, let's focus on the fuel and ignition systems. Replacing the fuel filter is a simple yet effective step to maintain fuel system health. Next, carefully remove the distributor cap and inspect both the cap and rotor for any signs of carbon buildup or damage. These components are vital for consistent spark delivery. Finally, we'll check and adjust the ignition timing using a timing light to ensure peak engine efficiency. Moving on, we'll address essential fluid levels and belt conditions. Start by checking your engine oil. Ensure it's at the correct level and looks clean. Next, inspect the coolant in both the radiator and the overflow reservoir. Proper coolant levels prevent overheating. Finally, take a moment to visually inspect all drive belts for any signs of wear or damage and confirm they have the correct tension for reliable operation. To complete our tune-up, reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Start the engine and let it idle, listening carefully for any unusual sounds or vibrations. Visually inspect for any fluid leaks around the components you've worked on. Once you're confident, take your Corolla for a short test drive. Pay attention to acceleration, idle, and overall responsiveness to confirm a successful tune-up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.